Where a lot of mechanical connectors, again, if you're familiar with mechanical connectors, they can be quite an alien type of fitting. They're not something that you would recognize maybe as a flange or whatever the connector, you know, a coupling or whatever. But with Quickflange, the way that the product is so simple is that we actually take a standard weld neck flange in many cases, and we simply modify it. So if you can see there on the circular image there, what we do is we machine down partially the neck of the flange and then the internal bore. Now the technology ultimately lies within the groove design. So you can make out there that there are some grooves machined into the flange. This is where we're going to use the pipe and a hydraulic tool to put a radial force into the pipe itself to swage that pipe into these grooves, creating a metal-to-metal gas-tight seal. Now, what's really key here is that the metal-to-metal seal, there's no elastomers, there's no polymers, so there's no degradation of the actual connection that you're going to make on the joint.